How would a brother then? Never see. Yo, move, man. No answer. You look for your phone and answer. Yo, where are you dealing? Brother, brother school are over early today now, 1 o'clock. Is me more I go pick her up them time they and bother with the ramping thing, you know. Cause I don't want she dip on school compound and linger and the last time she make me know say you come for her late, you know, brother. You see me? So you can't deal with it. Or if you can't deal with it, make me know what I go on, you know. I know what I go on from now. Cause I can't bother with the joking thing, you know, brother. I pay you for do this, you know. See? Alright, 1 o'clock. So by 1:30 you reach her then. Alright, make sure, you know. Alright, do your thing. Same car, let me see if I drink same. Yo, how you man? Where you do run now? Brother, I can't turn around and read like too big man. Do it, but do it slower. The name is Antonio Esperanza. Are you come to talk to? When you say you are the man in the place where any development and business you need to come to. So out of respect, I come to you. You name it is. So send it to me. Just do my own research and find out who I need to talk to. You're either brave or stupid. Talk then no? So yeah, so we are going to talk, brother. You are going forward over yourself. So you say now, no? Alright, what you know? We are part of this community development program, seeing which consists of plaza / community, a gated community. And I think it would do good in your favor because you are the man where govern here. Seeing? So you like for real farm alliance. Go and talk, me I hear what you say. Watch you know. Me that really like a farm alliance with a man like you. Seeing? You see the people them where me acquire the land from come from this community. And because you are the man in the area where I run things, I govern things and you're militant, you don't want to chat to them.